Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I just finally purchased the Gopro 11. This is I purchased from Costco, and Costco has a very good deal. In Costco regular price is $389.99 plus tax, but right now they have sale of $50 off, so $339.99. This is the Costco value pack, and you can see it says Costco. And Costco is a combo. Costco has the combo pack, so got it from there. It's not opening. So let me show you what are the things comes in this package. GoPro Hero 11. So this is the charging port, USB-C port, as you can see. One mounting. This is another mounting device. Like you're gonna put something here and you're gonna put this. Two battery packs, 2 pack of battery. So 2 pack of battery, 2 battery packs, mounting screw, tripod, this is the smallest tripod. I don't think I can help too much. It's a very small tripod. And here is the main device, the GoPro. Let me see if they give nothing else. 64 GB SD card. And quick start guide, everything. So let me set up and show you step by step. So let me open this one. This looks pretty nice. So I just got the SD card and battery. Let me use one of the battery pack. They are not giving any charging port. Camera turned on. So now I'm gonna show you the setup. So friends, while connecting this one, I just press the power button, so it turned on by itself. I need to agree all this. GPS right now I'm putting it off. It is asking me to download the quick app, so I need to do that. Let me do that. So friends, all the setup is done. Now I'm gonna give it full charge because the battery is very low. I'm gonna give both the batteries full charge, and then I will be using it. The other pro kind of setups, that camera setups, that yeah, there are a lot of videos on that, so I'm not gonna make any video on that. So far I just wanted to show the Costco pack, how it comes inside, and how to do the initial setup. So friends, how do you like this video? Please let me know in the comment box, and if you have any thought and suggestion, please put it in the comment box as well. And if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.